Hello, everybody, and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash, and today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin and discuss what's happening with it and talk about the scalp setup that I have going on right now. So before we get into that, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated with the hottest trends in the crypto market, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can click this link here. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXS Crypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangyako, the zero at the end. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on this link here and join my Telegram group where I post trades that I'm taking and updates. So let's get into Bitcoin. I already posted this update on my Telegram channel, so make sure to go and check it out. So what's happening right now is that I'm looking at a potential distribution setup that's happening here. I'm expecting one more run up, as you can see here. Like I shorted Bitcoin around here, expected Bitcoin price to come back down here, sweep the lows, the equal lows kind of formed here, go back up a little higher than the swing high formed here at roughly 20,400, and then come back down. That's what I've expected, and things are going pretty good. Most like there are times where we don't get this last leg up, which is upthrust after distribution, right? So just to be sure, I just shorted Bitcoin here because I'm not sure if we actually gonna get a run up here. So yeah, that's what's happening for Bitcoin on a 1 minute time frame. Let's back up into the 8-hour time frame and discuss what's happening here, right? So let me just close all of this. Cool. So we've been discussing Bitcoin for quite some time, and this chart must seem also familiar right now. Right, we have this range extending from 32.5K to 17.6K. The price dropped 45% and then retested the midpoint, which was basically a mean reversion play. After this, the price came back down, collected liquidity resting below all of these not equal, but higher lows formed. Right now, a lot of people were expecting Bitcoin price to sweep the June 18th low at 17,600, but the price seems to have pulled a reversal after consolidating in the symmetrical triangle here, which was posted not just in yesterday's video, but also in an article that I published yesterday, right? In each of those, I kind of predicted that Bitcoin price could potentially go down, it go down below these lows formed here on 23rd and 25th of September. Expected a fake out first to the downside, followed by an actual move to the upside, but this seems to have been a straight move to the top side. Now, this move is pretty significant because of two things, right? First thing is the Bitcoin price kind of managed to stay above the weekly open. Like it did consolidate below and above for quite some time, but it finally did manage to bounce off of that and then go higher. The second reason is that the price has now sliced through the August low, which is really important. Like it was important back here as well when the price dipped below that. The recovery above it was just a straight move up, right? Now that we've done that, the price seems to be facing a lot of resistance around 20.3K, 20,250. And now I'm expecting the price to, retrace down, retest the support box here extending from 19,600 to 19,400. And it also contains August low. So once we kind of retest this level, I feel like there's going to be a lot of buyers that come in to buy on the retest and then push the price higher. But to be very honest, I'm going to open a long position here regardless, right? I've already opened short positions. So I'm going to open a long position at the retest of August low. And I'm going to be I'm very skeptical of this run up that we've had right now. And I feel like we might see another leg down. This is like the wild card kind of scenario. We might see this leg down where the price kind of sweeps the range low at 17,600, collective liquidity resting below the June 18th swing low. And I feel like this would be like a pretty good scenario. Regardless, I'm not going to complain. The run up is pretty significant right now, and a retracement will be a good place to bid. So what are the targets? As usual, we have the 20,737 target here because of the support level that it provided back in July and August, right? Beyond this, we have the previous weekly high, which we still haven't swept. This is actually 2 weeks ago, this high, and the current high is, you can see it in here, right? I think I must have skipped it, but yeah, I think I had it here. But either way, I think we did manage to sweep the previous weekly high, which comes around this particular swing high here at 18,000, 20,154. We swept that. So honestly, a reversal makes a lot of sense here. So yeah, that's it for Bitcoin, guys. Expect a retracement to the August low, followed by a massive run up to potentially 25K. That's what I'm looking at, but there are a lot of hurdles in between. With the 200-week SMA, we have the previous weekly high. So just make sure to book profits around these levels and let a tiny piece of your position ride up to 25K. So if you enjoy this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.